Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD. In our previous video, we have drawn different examples. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out. It is in the I button. For these video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF from our website. Download link is given in description below. So for today's video, exercise number 7. First of all, you have to set limits of drawing. So type command limit, enter, and for lower left corner 0, tab 0, enter, and for upper right corner 200, tab 200, enter. In this fashion, we have set limits of drawing. Next, take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle 0, tab 0, enter, and radius is 18, 18, enter. Next, for zoom, press Z, enter, A, enter for all. Next, again repeat previous command, that is circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle 0, tab 0, enter, and radius is 45, enter. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to center layer, which I have already defined in layer properties, and draw a center line. For that, take line command L, enter, and specify a center line. Vertical center line, and next draw horizontal center line. Again repeat line command, press space button from keyboard, specify first point and second point. Next, take arc command A, enter, and for center point press C, enter, and specify center point of arc, and radius is 80, and then draw first point and then second point of arc. Next, take line command L, enter, and specify first point and second point is on an angle 60 degree. So press tab button and enter angle 60, enter. So in this fashion we have this center point. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to default layer and take circle command C, enter, and specify center point of circle, radius is 16, enter. Next, again repeat previous command, that is circle command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point of circle, and radius is 26, enter. Next, take fillet command F, enter, and specify radius of fillet R, enter, 10, enter, and select object. Next, take mirror command MI, enter, selection of object. After selection of object, press right click and then specify mirror line and then press enter button. Next, take arc command A, enter, and for specifying center point of arc press C, enter, and select center point of arc, start point, and then end point. Again repeat arc command A, enter, and specify center point of arc C, enter, first point and then second point. Again repeat previous command, that is arc command, press space button from keyboard, and for center point C, enter center point, first point, second point. Next take trim tool TR, enter, select object. After selection of object, press right click and select region which we don't want. Then press escape button from keyboard. Next again repeat previous command, that is trim command, press space button from keyboard, selection of object. After selection of object, press right click and select region which we don't want. Next take mirror command MI, enter, selection of object. After selection of object, press right click and draw mirror line perfectly horizontal and then press enter button. Next take trim tool TR, enter and select object. After selection of object, press right click and remove region which we don't want and then press enter button. Next take line command L, enter for line and specify tangent line. Press shift plus right click and choose tangent option, first point, and for second point shift plus right click, tangent, second point, and then press escape button. Next take mirror command MI, enter, selection of object, then press right click and draw mirror line perfectly vertical and then press enter button. Next take hatch command H, enter and add pick point region where hatch command is applied. Next scale 20 and then close hatch creation dialog box. So in this fashion we have drawn this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button for more such cool stuff. And I wanna thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.